Welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a table of content. The table of content is a summary of chapter title, subheading, and page number within the main screen. The first thing you need to do, set up each of chapter title and subheading. For example, chapter I introduction, select, click home menu, heading 1, and click on modify. Choose appropriate font for heading 1 and font size and automatically update. Click on OK button. Then you can see here heading 1 is Times New Roman font and 12 font size and centralize. Background of the study, select for subheading. Heading 2, click on heading 2, click on modify, Times New Roman, appropriate font size, automatically update. Similarly, you should arrange all the heading and subheading like this way. After arranging all the chapter heading, subheading in your document, then click on reference button. Before reference button, click on top menu, click on reference menu. After clicking the reference menu, click on table of content, choose the appropriate table format. Then you can see here table of content. After making a table of content, if you later make change the document page number extra, for example, suppose background of the study, you can add like 1.1. So you can simply click on references, update table of menu and update entire table. You can see here 1.1 background of the study. Like this way, you can create a table of content for your thesis paper or any article. Thank you for